Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off videos reposted from your friends on your accounts on TikTok on notification settings. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile icon, click on these three lines here, click settings and privacy. Now click notifications, and here you will find videos reposted from your friends. Just click like this and it will be turned off. And if you want to turn it on, just click like this. And that's it for today. That's how to turn off videos reposted from your friends, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.